Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the getDate method. This method can be used for getting information from date object. Method description. There are so many get methods like get full year, get the year as a 4-digit number, get month, get the month as a number, get date, get the day as a number, get hours, get the hour as a number 0 to 23. Get minute. Get the minute from 0 to 59. Get second from 0 to 59. Get millisecond 0 to 999. Get day is from 0 to 6 and where 0 is Sunday. Get time the milliseconds since January 1, 1970. So there and date now. Get the time ECMAS script 5. So there is a 10 get date method which I am going to tell you, and if the time then I will tell you about the set method. First is JavaScript get full year. Get full years method return the full year of the date. ID demo. D equals to new date. Document get element by ID demo inner HTML d dot get full year, where d is a variable in which we get the date, current date, and get full year. When we set the get full year, then it will set the full year. The get method, the get month. Now first of all I will run and show you how the get full year will work. Here the get full years method return the full year of the date. So current year is 2020, so it's giving the 2020. Next is to get month. Month, today's month is September, and it will give you a number for that. The get month method return the month of the date as a number, where month start from 0. That means January is 0 to 11. So when you get the number, add +1, so you get the current month number. To get the correct month, you must add a 1. ID demo 1 d equals to new date. Again I will take a date, current date, then d get month +1, because it start from 0, so I have to add +1. So I will get the month. Run it. There is a two way we can get the month, in number form or in alpha word form. So today's current month is September, so it is giving 9. The get month method return month as a number, and you can use an array to display the name of month. So how you will write the array? Here you have to write the variable array month, in which you have to write the all month name. Then you have to get the current month name. Then you say inner HTML months is a array d get month. So in d get month you are getting 9, so it will take from 9 position the September 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 9 position there is a September, so it will get the month September, and it is count from 0, because here you look here, I haven't add the 1 in get month +1. In previous I add the 1, d get month +1. So it is taking 9, but here it is taking 8. So because the arrays counting will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8th position you will get September. Same way we can get date method. We can use get date method. All are very simple, just you have to change this portion. After inner HTML you have to write the new get method by d dot get method. So you will get the next type of get method. So here I am getting get date. So when you say d new date and set d dot get date, then it will give you a date. The get date method return the day of the date as a number. So number will start from 1 to 31. So just see. Though my uh, watch is not working well, so it is giving you 12, and today is 13. So it is giving 12 because my date is slow. It is 9/12/2020. The get R method. Get R method will give you a 9 o'clock because it is a 9 plus 35 minutes. But it is a 9, so it is giving a R 9. So after get the date, you have to write get R. Get date, you have to write get R. Here you have to write just d dot get R. All those things are same, but you have to write get R. Now get R will count from 0 to 23. So as it will get 24, that change into the next second. So when you press, then you will get R, and this is a 9 o'clock. So in R you get 9. In R you get 9. When you say minute, then it will give you a 38 minute because it is a 38 minute. And when you say second, then it will give you a current second 22. Then get millisecond. Millisecond method return the millisecond of date as a 0 minus 999. So it is a millisecond 568. Then JavaScript get day. Day is today is 6 because it's count Sunday from 0, but my time is late. My 1 day is back time. Today is 13 and it is giving a Saturday, so it gives 6 though the Sunday is 0. So it is giving 6. The JavaScript first day of the week mean Sunday. Even if some countries in the getDay method return the weekday as a number, you can use array to display the name of the weekday. It is showing Saturday, but it is a Sunday. And same way as a day, you have made an array to get the name of the week in a word. Same way you are using here to get day name. So we have done get. One by one I will show you the program how to write get date. When you say get date, it is giving the date, day of the date, and when you say get R, it is giving R. When you say get millisecond, then you have written get millisecond and it is giving millisecond. Here now you write a get day, In that case, it will return the number of the day, and that is 6 it is giving, because the watch is late. And then you have to make a array of days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it is count by 0 to 6. So it is giving days, D, get day, and it is giving Saturday. 9. The get time method. The get time method internal clock in JavaScript count for midnight January 1, 1970. JavaScript count करता कहाँ से? January 1, 1970. The get time function return the number of milliseconds since then January 1, 1970. So when you write D get time, then it will return the time. Now the date now. The internal clock in JavaScript starts at midnight January 1, 1970. Click the button to display the number of milliseconds since midnight January 1970. So right here, as the get time will show you a millisecond, same way the date now will show you the millisecond. So when you write date now, then it will give you a output in millisecond. How? Just see. Repeat it. Full year 2020, month 9, in word September, date will give you a 12, day of the date as the number, because the watch is late, so it is giving 12. Hour will give you a 9 o'clock, and the minute will give you a 42 minutes, and the second will give you the, just see the minute, second is increased, 42 and 51. JavaScript get millisecond will give you 540. JavaScript get day, it is giving Saturday in number and in word. The get time method will give you a time in a millisecond. When you say date now, then it will also give you a time in millisecond, which it calculate from January 1, 1970. Same way we can use a UTC date method, Universal Time Zone method. So, Universal Time Zone dates. UTC date is same as get date. UTC day is same as get day. UTC full year will get same as get full year. UTC hour will same as get hour, which already we have done. Same way, the several things similar to the JavaScript other methods. Millisecond will give you a get millisecond. UTC minute will give you a get minute, same as get minute. UTC month is same as get month. UTC second is same as get second. So all these are the get method of JavaScript. Same way we can teach you a get set method of JavaScript. Now what is a set method? JavaScript get method. This is the set method. There are several set methods in JavaScript: set date, set full year, set month, set hour, set millisecond, set minute, set month, set second, set time. So 9 methods are there, and set date is set from 1 to 31. Same way as a get month and get year and get millisecond, same way the number are same here in set method. Now first is the First is the set date. Set date. Set date method set the day of the date. How you have to write? You have to write d equals to new date. D is equal to set date 15. Now you set this date to 15. How? Just see. This is a September 15. When you set September 15, it will give you a 15. So next is how to set date method can also be used to add days to the date. It also used to add the days. So now you set get date and then plus 50, then it will give you a after 50 days date. So how it will work? Just run. Today is 12 according to my computer, and then when it is used add the 50 days, then it is giving Sunday, November 1. If adding days shift the month or year, the change are handled automatically. How? Just change this 50 to 30. Now run it. Just see, it is changed. It is decreased by 20 days. So Monday, October 12. If adding days shift the month or year, the changes are handled automatically. Next is, if adding days shift the month of the year, change the handle automatically. Next is set full year. Now you want to set the year. I want to set the year 20. Suppose you want to set it 21. Then what it will do? It will set the year 21. Okay. Now again change it into 20 because it is 20. The set full year method can optionally set month and day. Please note that the month count from 0. December is month 11. So month कहाँ से start होता है? 0 से हमने get में बताया था ना. तो यहाँ पे उसने दिया set full year 2020, 11, 3. That means it is setting third day 11 December 2020. So get date ID inner HTML D. What it will give you? Just see. Get full year. It is giving 3rd December Thursday and 2020. Clear? So it is setting this. The next is JavaScript set month. JavaScript set month will set the month of date object. Note that month count from 0. December is a month 11. So demo 4 script D new date D set month 11 document get element by ID demo 4 inner HTML D. Now it is setting the month 12. So JavaScript set month will set the month 12. Set month 12. This is Saturday, December 12. It is counting and giving you the output. So this way you can set the month, date, year, and hour, minute, second in JavaScript according to your requirement. Now next is set hour. How you have to write? Just you have to change this one, set hour and 22. So 22 is your set hour. 12 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock हो जाएगा. You run it and see. This is a month and this is a hour. Saturday, September 12, 22, 50, 20. It is setting 22, 50, 20. So 22 is equal to 10. So next is JavaScript set minute. Now it will change the minute into 30. So how it will change? Just check. Minute is millisecond. Minute is 50. JavaScript millisecond. It is starting get method. फुल ईयर के बाद आया मंथ, मंथ के बाद मिनट, मिनट के बाद कहाँ तक पहुंचे थे? साल कर लिया था और मंथ कर लिया था। अब आया घंटा, घंटा 22 कर लिया था। अब आया मिनट। नाउ मिनट इज 30 मिनट. जस्ट रन इट एंड फाइंड here minute is 30 minute. 9:30. It is setting minute equals to 30. Same way we set the second 30. Yes, see. Here in place of second we write 30. So it set the 30. You have to change only this portion. Otherwise whole program is same. And then in compare dates. We can compare two dates. Date can easily be compared. The following example compares two dates with January 14, 2000 to 2100. So here we write today or someday text. Today date and someday date. So when we write today new date, then current date will come, and when we write someday new date, then it will change the current date and give the new date of in some day. When we write some day set full year. Now I am changing this some day into the some another date. In today we are getting current date, but in some day we are getting current date, but we set it full year. Full year in which I set the year 2100 and 14. So January, 0 is for January and 14 is for day. So when we compare some day greater than today, so it will become a true, and today is before January 14 2100 will give you the answer. If it is 1900, then it will give you this one. So how it will give you? It's compare to date. Today is before January 14 2100. Because the first condition will become a true. JavaScript set time method. When we say JavaScript set time method, then it will give the answer in a millisecond from January 1, 1970 and display the new date and time. Click the button and try. So it will give you a date. How it will give? Just see these milliseconds when we write, then from January 1 to 1970 it will give you a date 22 March Thursday, and when you write these same millisecond in minus, then it will reduce your date and it will give you 12 October Wednesday 1927. How it will write? How we can write it? Just yes, here you set time this and then D, and then set time minus this, and it will reduce the date. Just you have to get the current date and reduce the millisecond, and you will get the time of that period. So today is finished the get method and set method of JavaScript, and I hope you understand it, and if you like it, then please share and subscribe. Won't get all these method in a same place. I have done so many effort to make it. Thank you, viewers. Please like, share and subscribe, and please run first then subscribe. You people won't run, won't get anything, and then you subscribe it, and it won't work for me because it is not taken by the YouTube. Please help me, and please subscribe and run and then subscribe and share to others for the promotion of my video. Thank you.